Tell me a story about Doja and Minnie. What did they do today?
They run
They run over there?
in the kitchen.
And in the kitchen?
Yep.
Show me what it looks like. Can you run like a kitty? Then what? It jumps? Yeah? Who's that right there?
Doja.
Who?
Doja.
Where's kitties?
Right there, up there.
There's a kitty in there?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite kitty?
I want a black kitty.
A black one?
Yeah.
Oh. What's his name?
His name's is Minnie.
Minnie?
Yep.
Oh. Is it a girl or boy?
A girl.
What does she do?
He's been my friend.
Your friend?
Mm-hmm.
You guys play?
Yep.
What do you play?
Baseball.
Baseball?
Yep.
A baseball playing kitty? That's amazing.
Yep.
And who do you like best next of all?
Doja.
Doja. And what do you and Doja do?
He's gonna be my friend.
Go give her a kiss?
No.
Go kiss her.
Boys still kiss. Doja still kiss.
Go kiss Doja.
No.
She wants a kiss.
Doja still kiss.
Right here on her cheeky.
Okay.
You go kiss her. Oh, good Doja. She's good, huh?
Mhm.
I won't kiss. No?
No.
Okay. I have Dora on the TV for you.
What?
Dora. I recorded it for you. You want to watch it while I make breakfast?
But let's have something. Listen in the phone.
What?
In the phone.
The phone?
Yeah.
Hey, Doja.
No.
Okay,
No.
say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Blow a kiss. Mwah. Blow one. Blow one. Good job.